Here I have Samsung Galaxy F13, and today I'm going to show you how to enter test mode on this device. So to do this, you just have to open dial pad and enter the secret code, which is *O**#, and after that you will end up in the testing mode. So in this mode you can test different features of your device, which you can see on this list. Test how they work. Maybe there's some problem with them, like you can check how your screen displays colors. You can change vibration, check. You can check camera, like you can check front camera, I don't know, you can take a picture. You can check speaker. You can check, touch. Okay, so here you have to you have such a mini quest to draw these lines here. Very interesting, yeah? I feel like I'm in a kindergarten. So yeah, and something like that. And that's it. Thanks for watching. If you find this tutorial useful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel.